I have another Tooly Tuesday video because I made up the Tooly Tuesday thing, and I'm pretty sure someone's going to sue me and tell me I can't use that. So I didn't patent it. Go ahead and sue me because it's Tuesday and there's tools involved. So I have another video for a cool thing that I didn't even know locked. Oh my god. Didn't even know it did that. What the hell? This is a tool I picked up on eBay. What is this? Headlock. There's a little thing on here, made in China. This is headlock. There's a very, very faint writing. I don't know if you can see it right on there, but it might say, read it. It's made in China. Guess where it's made. It's another 3 pieces of metal riveted together. But this one's actually cool because you can lock it. Which is kind of neat. You can, I'm not sure how far back this goes or not, but it's got a little locking mechanism, which is, I'll show you. See, unlike these ones that don't lock, this one has a, they all have the similar grip to. I should have brought my rope, but this one has a nice little, so you can still grab it and you can lock in. Well, let me find something I can grab. See, this one holds in place, so it's actually kind of neat, and you can push it forward and supposedly unlock it. There we go. I guess it's got a unlock. Let me try this out. I didn't really play around with this thing, so let me find something I can try not to break here. Whole piece in the middle. There's a bolt. Okay. Click on the bolt and it's locked on there. Now you gotta push it forward, I guess. How the hell do you get it off? There you go. I don't know, I think I like it in this mode. Just kind of, like I said in the previous video. But these are, I don't know, I think they just make whatever. Like if you can just design a handle different. This one's kind of like, it's comfortable here, but my fingers are too stubby and short. This one's perfect because see, my hand's like ching ching ching. This one's, look at the difference in reach. Like look, that's how much further my little fat finger's gonna go. And even on this one, they're a little, let's see, it's still a little bit bigger. So it's, what chunky fingers. I like them though. I thought they were cool. I don't have a pair. And since I'm running out of weird vice grips to buy, I didn't know what the hell to pick up and show people. I thought I'd branch out into these things. Do I need more tools? No. What's the point of living if you can't leave your kids 4 tons of steel to sort out when you die, right? So yeah, this is my tool. If I ever want to become a robot, I'm going to have to use his fingers. So I'll shut up now. So anyway, if you want to buy something really useful, yeah, it says headlock in there. You want to get yourself in a headlock. I don't know if you can see it. There's a kind of a name right in there. There you can see it. There you go. They're not bad. They're a little, like I said, my finger's too short. Again, I like these styles. I like the vice grip style that you can clamp. And honestly, I'd rather use these as a hold down ones because I already have, that's what vice grips are for. So anyway, that's my tool for today. A headlock, cheap. I think I paid like $4 for these things. So I wasted $4 just to show you. Thanks for watching. Toodles.